All eyes are on the Delhi High Court today, which is set to decide on a plea seeking to stop the release of Nirbhaya's rapist from the juvenile home. If the court doesn't stay his release, the rapist, who was a minor when he brutalized India's daughter, may walk out free tomorrow, even though Delhi government is mulling options to keep him in some sort of detention.
December 16, 2012. The day etched in the minds of millions of Indians. The day when India's daughter Nirbhaya was violated in turns by 5 men on a moving bus in Delhi. She succumbed to her injuries as Delhi came to streets demanding justice. 3 years on, her most brutal rapist, who was a minor then but 20 years old now, is set to walk free this Tuesday, courtesy India's juvenile justice laws.
अब पता नहीं क्या वजह सरकार उसको चाहे हमारी न्याय व्यवस्था छोड़ रही है और उसको छोड़ के अपने समाज में उस उम्र के बच्चों को क्या संदेश दे रहे हैं कि नहीं, तुम 18 साल से पहले कुछ भी कर सकते हो, तुम्हारे लिए राइट है.
But he may not walk free if the Delhi High Court, which will hear a plea in the case today, decides to keep him under detention. The High Court will decide on Subramanian Swamy's plea, in which he has called the rapist a danger to the society who has been radicalized and turned into a jihadi. Swamy had asked the court to look into the report of the Intelligence Bureau in this matter. The court will see the report today and decide whether the rapist should be set free or not.
Preventive jurisdiction can come into play only if there is specific information about his intending to commit a particular crime. Now, in the absence of that, it won't be possible, I think, for the government to detain him under the National Security Act.
Earlier, the Home Ministry also considered slapping the Anti-Terror National Security Act on him, but the Delhi police advised against it. The Delhi government, which is fighting a hard battle to make Delhi safer for women, does not have many options to prevent his release. It is considering handing him over to an NGO if he is released. All this amid a clamour against his release.
बोल के थक गई हूँ, and I'm very cynical and very disappointed about it.
The law of the land may allow the rapist to walk free, but Nirbhaya's distraught mother is desperately seeking justice.
मुझे तो यही है कि मुझे इंसाफ मिलना चाहिए और सरकार से हमें उम्मीद करते हैं कि हमें इंसाफ मिले और उसको बाहर ना छोड़ा जाए.
3 years ago, this place witnessed a public uprising against a brutal rape that not only shocked the entire country but shook the establishment of the day. But 3 years down the lane, as the juvenile accused is all set to walk out, questions are bound to be raised whether our criminal justice system has failed Nirbhaya. In New Delhi, with Ritesh on Indo Banaji for India Today.